do a nice little Santa Claus face for you for Christmas. Might be a fun little painting to do. I'll make it as easy as I can for you, okay? Alright, so just with your dirty brush, just bring in some burnt umber, okay? And make a little shadows on the edges here, just on the edges. So with the chiseled edge down, alright, don't come off, just go get more shadows right now. Good. Now, when I did the beard, I didn't do anything fancy. I just made a circle. I just made like a semicircle. I just made a line. Okay, so you don't really need to do anything fancy. The picture might look a little fancy, but if you want to do it that way, fine. But I just made a circle. There we go. See how nice and fluffy it looks? You see it? A little bit blue there now. But we'll be tapping over that with some white. Work wet on wet. Once it dries on you, you'll lose your blue if you tap over it with white, okay? But if you work wet on wet, the blue and the white will mash together and you'll get shadows, shades and shadows and values, different values for your whites and blues. Alright, so we'll go back over that to lighten it up. Alright. I'm going to leave it because if I play around too much more, it probably won't look any good. But I think it looks cute, actually. It's a nice little Santa, and I think I made it as easy as I could for you. Simple as pie. I'll put it up here. So that's the one I painted earlier on the left, and that's the one we just painted now. And I think it came out pretty cute, don't you? So I hope you enjoyed this video, and you can leave in the comment section what you thought of this video, and if you like this little Christmas cheer. And Merry Christmas, everybody, and I'll see you in the next video. Signing off from Allison Prior. Happy painting. Bye.